Welcome to the 3D Bioprinting and Organoid workshop. "3D bioprinting is an exciting area and evolving, and I am very proud that ILS is holding a workshop in this area. I encourage all of you to engage actively, ask questions and learn from each other. I hope you leave this workshop inspired, informed and confident about the future possibilities of bioprinting.
I am very thankful to all the experts who have been here and to all the participants which span across the entire country. The workshop is going on very well, and we hope to build on the feedback that we receive from the participants to come again with a very advanced workshop next year.
I want to really express my gratitude to the organizing team here at ILS for organizing this beautiful workshop. The students could learn a lot and going back with good experiences. So it was a great experience. The hosting was great by the Institute. It was really a great experience in that sense.
This 3D bioprinting workshop will be very helpful for everyone who is working on the cell line in the 2D model, as this gives a organoid kind of structure to work and to get the real physiological scenario happening in any tissue. We want to use this platform for our study on the pancreatic beta cell islet.
Participants were also spanning from like AIMS, ICERs and different other institutions around the country.
The conference covered most of the basic concept of how to develop 3D organoids, 3D spheroids, basics of bioprinting, and also hands-on training was also given for the student participants and the faculties who have joined.
First of all, I am very thankful to ILS Bhubaneswar for this great learning opportunity. I learned so much from here. The whole workshop was very informative and very insightful.